this glass maybe melt a little.
Yeah.
Under high temperature.
Yeah.
So it broke a little. Break a little.
Chưa bao mà.
So first we use high flow argon gas.
High flow argon gas, right?
To blow other gas.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
The first step.
First step, okay. How much flow is required? 大概
No, we set 500 sccm.
Okay, 500 ccm, okay. 大概多少分钟? How much time?
About 3 or 4 or
Minute.
5
Minute, second. And this one, I think AR. Demo.
Yeah.
Yeah, AR is here. So how much is the pressure here? M megapascal is 0.02, right? No.
This is 0. This is 0 Pascal in fact.
Yeah.
This is 1.
This is minus 0.1 and minus 0.05. So it's come from here, I think so.
Yes,
0 is here like this.
Yes.
Hmm?
This is pressure in
Inside this?
air. No,
Air, okay.
0 means pressure in air. This is 0.
Minus 0.
Yes, it's minus 0. It's compared with air pressure. It's minus.
Oh, okay.
So this is 0 Pascal.
Pascal, okay.
In fact.
In fact, okay.
Yes. So you can see.
And this one is argon supply. AR.
Yes.
Okay. CH4 sein Ali. Chili limon, that's and maybe this is CH4. CH4, I think so, not argon. Huh? What do you think? This maybe it is C. Huh? 你看一下 argon and CH4.
Oh.
So now stop argon, 对吗?
Yes.
Okay. Temperature 多少？大概 1100. Oh, okay. Maybe it take 20 hours.
20 hours.
Yeah.
Or just 1 hour.
1 hour 就到了。
Yes.
Oh, that's quick. Run.
It's wrong.
Okay.
So just wait it 1 hour.
1 hour.
And we
Come back.
come back and
Switch off.
no switch off. We use CH4. We turn on switch CH4
Oh,
valve.
after 1 hour.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
After 1100.
Oh, okay. For how much time?
About half hour.
Half hour. Okay.
And then we turn off and to room temperature.
Room temperature.
Yes.
And then
We can
take out sample.
Yes.
And then
we need transfer this
Mo2C.
to yes. We need how to say that? We need to remove the copper.
Copper. Okay.
Yes. We need to transfer the material to another SR. Silicon.
SI silica.
we need to remove the material from copper
Hmm.
to silicon pad.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Turn on the CH4 valve already. Okay. For 35 minutes. Okay.